So every one of those columns is made up of one of these columns here. This is just a miniature version of it. You can actually build your own over here. Design your own display. These are 3D printed out to scale. These are 46-inch planar displays. They're G3s and they're stereoscopic. Right now we're showing Greenland polar grid data. Oh, there's my augmentation floating over there. Should probably look back at this. There we go. I had to put that in there. And we can do full scale as well. So if I take this, throw it on the ground out here, like that. This is the full scale column right there. And if I hit next, you can see that. Come on through. I'm just filming a video. That's a 4x4. Another 4x4 convex. So they're angled in a different way. This is basically what we're showing here to my left. They're kind of back to back. Let me get up closer. There we go. And then different arrangement there. Different one there. Kind of neat though, we can kind of put it in a space and you can look around, see what it might look like in your space. This is the concave 8 column, 32 tile, 15,360 pixel wide, 4,300 or 4,320 tall. And there's a convex version. And here's that. Let's see if they're gonna come throw away my marker there. It'd be funny if they picked it up and threw it in the trash. Anyway. All right. That's it. Just wanted to film a video of all that.